Hey guys, this is Chris, and we're back with the unboxing of the iPhone SE 2022. As you guys can see, it is fully sealed here. So we're gonna unbox this, and we're gonna see what everything is inside of it. Just taking off, they put this like crazy case with my name and everything, or a crazy label on the case that I bought for it. But anyways, here we go. Let's jump right into it. Let's see what we got here. Boom. There's that. Boom. Okay. iPhone SE. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. Just for reference, I got this handy. iPhone 8 looks exactly the same. Literally. Same phone. Whatever. Here is the power button. Let's turn this thing on. And for the people, everybody be quiet. Moment of silence here. Okay. There's that. So while this boots up, we're gonna see everything that's in the box. Of course, just the cable, nothing. So that's quick. That's a quick walkthrough of everything that's in the box. And while this boots up, what we're gonna go ahead and do is unbox the case that I got for it. So this is the silicone case. It's the red one. It looks the nicest in my opinion. There's some other cool colors, but red and red I think goes good. I think black and red would have looked nice too. But here it is. Now the thing that sucks about this one is, let's pop it in. It leaves the bottom wide open. Do you guys see that? I'm not a fan of cases like this, where the bottom is left wide open. Now it does look great. The red is a lighter tone of the actual phone's red. It's like a dark cherry red, the phone, the color of the phone. Let's actually look at the phone one more time here. It's like a dark cherry red. In camera, I think it looks a little bit brighter. The rails are like a matte red finish. Let's get some focusing here. It's like a matte red finish. And you know, it just looks like your typical iPhone 8. You know, so there's that. Now of course you got the home button, which is I always like that. It's a great feel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just set this up really quick here. Let's do set up manually. Wait, can you set it up without logging into the thing? Guess not. Hold on a second. Let me put my password in real quick. Oh my god, typing on this small of a display. I thought the mini was bad. This is tiny. But I'm gonna go ahead and take it through the setup and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I got a chance to put all my stuff on here, and after playing around with it for a little bit, it's different getting used to the home button, of course. I mean, I haven't had a phone like that with the home button for a while now. But one thing that I did notice right off the bat is I feel like the iPhone 13 mini, it just feels a little bit smoother on the display. I don't know. It could be maybe just, you know, placebo effect. You know, maybe I'm tripping. But anywho, I'm gonna use this for a day or two, and then I'm gonna give you guys a review on what I think. I'm really excited to test out the cameras. I know the processor is going to be fast, so I don't expect it to have any lag or anything like that, but I also want to see what the battery life looks like, and I want to compare it to the mini, because if you think about it, really the only difference, aside from the price, is that screen size. Look at that. Look at that screen size. But look at the screen size, y'all. The only difference is the screen size, and I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see what the deal is, but that's it guys. That's the unboxing of the iPhone SE 2022, and stay posted for a review in the next couple days. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.